Hello and welcome to my channel today. Today I'm going to make Til Chikki. Chikki is an Indian sweet recipe that is made during Kite festival or Makar Sankranti. So today I'm going to show you step by step how to make Til Chikki. So let's get started. Heat a non-stick pan on medium flame. We have taken white til, 200 grams. White til is also called sesame seeds. Dry roast the sesame seeds for about 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame. After 3 minutes of roasting, you will find the sesame seeds getting brown and crackling. After 5 minutes of roasting, switch off the flame and transfer the sesame seeds onto a plate for cooling. Now we'll take the same pan, add desi ghee to it, 1 tablespoon. You can add any cooking oil as per your preference. Let the ghee melt completely. Over here we have taken 400 grams of jaggery. Adding this jaggery onto the pan. Complete melting of jaggery will take approximately 5 minutes. We'll keep the flame in medium. Jaggery should melt completely and should not turn black. Make sure the flame is not high, it should be in medium. Keep stirring it continuously. Now our jaggery is completely melted. We'll check if it's ready so as to add sesame seeds in it. For that we have taken water in a bowl and we'll add few drops of melted jaggery in it. We'll take out one and see. See, the perfect sound is there. Now it's ready to put the sesame seeds in the jaggery. Switch off the flame and add the sesame seeds in the melted jaggery. Mix it all very well. Our sesame seeds have blended very well with the melted jaggery. We have taken butter paper over here on a flat surface. Immediately pour the entire mixture over the butter paper. Settle the mixture using the hand and then put second butter paper on top of it. Roll it with soft hands. Our sesame chikki has come out so well. It looks perfect. Now we can cut it into pieces. Remove the sides. Now we can serve it in a plate. Our crispy, yummy and fresh Til Chikki is ready. Let me show you how crispy it has turned out. Try this recipe at home and let me know your feedbacks in the comment box below. If you like my Til Chikki recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you for watching.